I know sometimes reviews can be boring, but today I've decided we're going to review this helicopter here. So I bought this helicopter at Walmart for about 30 bucks just to play around with. It's my second helicopter. The first one that I got, I learned how to fly, which also meant it got busted up pretty quickly and it didn't hold up for very long, maybe a couple months. So purchased this fine sturdy fellow right here and have started to teach my 2.5-year-old how to fly it. What you're going to watch today is my 2.5-year-old fly this helicopter. Now, I warn you, I didn't say she was any good. With the controller in her hands, the helicopter is turned on. It's on the ground, ready for her.
Yeah.
All right, remember what I taught you?
I can't.
Yeah, you crashed.
I think I'll get.
Woo! See, folks, this helicopter can stand up to a beating. Ouch! Oh.
Take my arm.
You all right?
Yes.
Poor thing. May not survive another day. Do you like the helicopter?
Yeah.
Okay, stop, sweetie. Oh. That's funny, eh?
Yes.
Okay, steer. Remember what I taught you. Uh-oh. Here we are. I said don't. Oh, listen to her laugh. She's not waiting. I think we broke it, sweetie. So much to my surprise, my 2.5-year-old did manage to knock off one of the blades. But as you can see here, I can get that blade back in, no problem. It's just finding that little tiny gray screw that's on a gray carpet. So after a search with a flashlight on the floor and a little vacuum, we managed to find this tiny little sucker. So the screw is back in its place and we'll be able to put it back onto the helicopter. So after finding the screw, we're going to test it out and see how well it still works.
Where's that go? Go, 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 go.
We've got lift off, a little trim is off, but other than that, it seems to be in working order. Helicopter's still fine, and my first helicopter that I had, it would not withstand this at all. So again, I'm giving this helicopter a 5 out of 5 stars.